Hey guys, it's Dr. Noah. Everybody on the email list will get this on Monday morning, but this is the video I do live every Saturday morning. So if you're up around 7 o'clock or you're on Facebook or Instagram or you want to watch it after I do it, you could always get a preview of this on Facebook and Instagram every Saturday morning. I want to talk about the upcoming events that we have in the office. Some are virtual, some are live, some are fundraisers. First thing we're doing is this Tuesday, September 20th, Dr. Mike at 6:30 on Facebook Live. We're going to be doing, not on Facebook Live, on StreamYard, we're going to be doing 25 questions with Dr. Noah and Dr. Mike. You'll get to know a little more about us, it'll be fun, and you'll learn for sure. The next event is, I believe it's either Tuesday or Wednesday, October 12th at 6:30. It's a live event at the office, 120 Lefante Way. We're gonna do working from home remotely and staying healthy. Yes, it's possible. Then on Saturday, October 22nd, we're having a dinner with the Acupuncturists where I bring in good eats from my friend Vinnie Mootz, and then we have Teresa and Cathy talk about acupuncture. And if you've never experienced acupuncture before and you're curious, you'll learn more and you'll be able to get to feel what having needles in you feels like, acupuncture needles, by just simply signing a waiver. Then we're gonna have another Ask Us Anything virtual session with Dr. Mike and I. Likely one more in-office live event right before Thanksgiving. And we're gonna round off the whole season. We're gonna do our second annual food drive starting October 14th. It'll run through Thanksgiving with the final donations taken December 2nd. And it's great because when the food pantry is low after Thanksgiving, we replenish it right before Christmas and New Year's. Last year we collected thousands and thousands of non-perishable cans of food. We expect to do the same this year, and it all benefits the Bayonne Food Pantry. So mark all those dates on the calendar. I'll put it in the note section so you have it. As always, be awesome and never unawesome. Bye.